Are you new to investing in real estate and you want to kind of get your feet wet, but you don't know exactly what to do to get started? Then I'm here to help you. Stay tuned to the end of this episode and we'll discuss exactly what you need to do to get started investing in real estate. Good evening. I want to talk to you today about the secrets to successful real estate investing. Now, whether you're a first-time buyer or a seasoned investor, these tips right here will help you make more informed decisions and help you maximize your returns. So let's dive right in. Tip number one, and that's going to be all about location, location, location. Now, when it comes to real estate, the location is a crucial factor that can greatly impact the property's value and your rental income. Now, I do suggest to look for neighborhoods with a strong growth potential and it's in close proximity to different amenities like bus stops, transportation routes, and things of that nature. Just look at it from the aspect of you want your property to be close to proximity of the things that your potential client is going to be needing in the future. Now, also conduct a thorough market research to identify emerging areas or even undervalued neighborhoods that do have the potential for future development. Moving on to tip number two, and that's going to be to crunch the numbers. Now, successful real estate investing, it does require a solid understanding of the financial aspects of investing. Now, calculate your budget, including not only the purchase price of the home, but also any additional costs like closing fees, renovation expenses, ongoing maintenance. See, things like that may kind of slip your mind, but if they do, it's best to always circle back around to them and get those right there factored in. And it's also very important to analyze potential rental income and your return on your investment. Also, please don't forget to factor in any potential risks and also consider working with a financial advisor or a real estate professional to guide you through this whole entire process. Because when it comes to real estate investing, this is one that you don't want to necessarily do alone. Tip number three is going to be to conduct thorough inspections. Now, before making a purchase, it is crucial to have a comprehensive inspection of the particular property that you want to purchase conducted by a qualified professional. Now, this will help you identify any underlying issues or potential problems that could cost you a lot of time, headache, and additional money down the line. Now, a thorough inspection will give you a peace of mind and ensure that you're making an informed decision. Now, please don't be like a buddy of mine back in the early 2000s who went out and started purchasing a whole bunch of homes without having them inspected. And then once he started walking through the houses, he dropped through the subflooring and he went all the way through the house to the basement. Please don't be like my friend and wind up falling down through the basement and having to spend a whole lot of time, headache, and additional unnecessary money because you didn't want to take the time to go out and get the home inspected. So a home inspection is going to be an absolute imperative thing that you should always do regardless of the particular price that you are about to pay for the home. Tip number four, and that's going to be network and build a team. Real estate investing is not a solo endeavor. I do suggest to surround yourself with a team of professionals who can support you throughout the process. This may include real estate agents, mortgage brokers, attorneys, contractors, and even property managers. Having the right team in place will help you navigate the complexities of the real estate market and increase your chances of success. Now, this is another one here that's also imperative here. Don't be so cheap or want to be so frugal where you don't want to invest in having a good team or you don't want to invest in networking with other people. See, it's best to always do what you need to do and spend the particular money that you do need to spend in investing in having a good team. Because see, if you want to go out and conquer the market, you can't do it alone. You can do it a lot by yourself, but you can't do it alone. You can't conquer the market alone. You have to have a really good team. Even though Michael Jordan is a great basketball player, he still had to have a team behind him to help him win that championship ball game. You can't do it alone. You cannot do it alone. So I do highly recommend to do take a lot of time in this particular one here on tip number 4. And please build a network and build a phenomenal team. Then go out into the world and start investing in real estate. But I do recommend to get your team in alignment first. And finally, tip number 5. And that's going to be to leverage technology. Now, in today's digital age, technology plays a significant role in real estate investing. Now, utilize online platforms and tools to research properties, analyze market trends, and also to streamline your investment process. Now, virtual tours, 3D models, and property management apps are just a few examples of how technology can enhance your real estate experience. If you found this episode helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button on the channel for more valuable content. Also, feel free to leave any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in the comments below. Remember, it's essential to carefully consider location, crunch the numbers, conduct inspections, build a team, and leverage technology. By following these tips, you'll be on your way to making smart investment decisions and building a successful real estate portfolio. Since you stayed all the way to the end of this episode with me here, I'm going to give you a free gift. And that gift is going to be the real estate marketing blueprint that has generated over $2 million of income for my clients. And I want to give that to you for free just by staying here with me on this episode today. Now, I'm going to leave the link in the description below. And that about wraps it up for today's episode. Until next time, I'll catch you later.